Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, like I am for every video, because it's a haul. Yes, this haul is in collaboration with Rosegal. I always get super excited whenever I get the opportunity to do a collaboration with Rosegal because it is nice, affordable clothing for plus size girls. So if you want to see this video, please stay tuned. These glasses, so they come in this amazing little pouch and they come with this little cloth, I guess, to clean them. When I saw these glasses, you guys, I was like, I have to have these. Even though they're not practical for everyday use, they are stunning. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these. Like, these are not meant to wear up here, no, which they are cute, but they are meant to wear just like this, giving you a little moment, a little fashion moment, you guys. Yes, love these glasses. They have like that pink tint, and I also tend to go for the glasses that you can adjust the nose. Because I have such large cheeks, I try to get the ones you can adjust the nose so they won't sit on my cheeks and mess up my makeup. You know what I'm saying? These are super cute, you guys. So yeah, these are from Rosegal. I will link these down below. Now let's get into the clothes, y'all. Oof, I don't want to be flashing nobody. So the first item I want to show you guys is this superty duper this really cute maxi dress. It, as you can see, you can not fold them, but you can tie the sleeves, and it's really long, and then it has this ruffle detail down at the bottom. It's that stretch knit material, not that thick scuba material, which I was a little afraid that it was gonna come in. To be honest, it doesn't have much shape to the dress. It just looks like, to be honest with you, I think I could have done better by going down a size. The size that I got in this dress is a size, where is it? 5X. You know, when you're shopping sites like Rosegal, you gotta be careful with getting your regular normal size, because everything is cut super small. So that's why I got the 5X. I could have done a 4X. And I really like the print. This is very popular, the floral with the black background, and I really like it because I can wear it to the fall. I can wear it with a little jacket over it. So that was the first item. Second item is also a maxi dress. I just had to have this dress, you guys. I'm sorry I can't fit the whole thing into the screen, but I love the color. It zips in the back, which I didn't have to unzip it to put it on. I put it on over my head, and I loved it because the arms were a lot wider and they fit gorgeously. It's just that it's a little too big in the waist for me, which I don't mind because I can always belt it. The materials, it's more of that rayon polyester material, so it doesn't really stretch that much. The size that I got this in is a size, so the tag doesn't have the size. Let's see. A size 5X. So I could have done a 4X. I was afraid to go down to a 4X because, again, we are a bigger girl. We are apple shaped around this piece, and I wanted to make sure that I got the correct size. So, and I wanted to fit it. So it's a beautiful maxi dress. It has to split down the front. I will be wearing a slip underneath this because it is a little opaque. You can see through it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for the summer. It's nice and lightweight. I absolutely love this dress, and I love this color. Oh. The next item that I got is this beautiful peplum top with the gold zipper detail in the front. It has the this kind of sleeve. Now, I thought that it would fit The size is a 4XL. So I don't know if there's a difference between a 4XL or a 4X or a 5XL or a 5X if the XL is cut smaller, but that's the pattern that I'm starting to see, is that if it has an XL at the end, that means that it's cut smaller. Anyway, it's too small in the bust, you guys. Like, I could not fit this. It was too tight in the bust, it was too tight in the arms, and it fit great in the waist. What really drew me to this top is the fact that it's a peplum, and I really think peplum tops look great on apple shapes. I just wish that it was a little bigger in the top, and I thought that by getting this with the zipper in the front that it will be more forgiving, but it wasn't. So if you are heavier at the top and have bigger arms, go up a size in this top, because it has no stretch to this top either. So I was really disappointed, and I really loved this top, but it didn't work. It didn't work. Okay, y'all, so the next top, I'm smiling because I really have learned to embrace this color. This color is so beautiful. I love this color. Reminds me so much of summer, but sad face, it did not fit my arms. I probably could get away with it, but you could see that it was pretty tight in my arms. I'm trying not to let these things get to me, because I've been working really hard to try to get healthier and be in a healthy lifestyle. And when you lead a healthier lifestyle, of course, you start to lose weight. And I've lost weight everywhere but my arms. So if you all can give me some suggestions down below in the comment section as to what I could do to get my arms to go down, so that I won't resort to surgery, because that is the most terrifying thing ever. So yeah, leave me some suggestions. I was really sad that this top did not fit the arm. This top had no stretch to it, and I thought because it had the elastic around the elbow part of the arms that it would fit, but unfortunately, no, it did not fit. It was tight in the bust. It was a 3X, and the reason why I got the 3X and I took a risk on the 3X, it's because I was like, you know, some 3Xs I've gotten before fit, and it was so cute, you guys. Like, I loved it so much that I could not log off of the site unless I had this, and unfortunately it didn't fit. I probably won't put this on my Poshmark. I might try to keep it and see if I can work on my arms to go down. That's how much I love this top, you guys. Like, I have nothing yellow in my wardrobe, and it's just the style of this top is absolutely gorgeous. I love the ruffle detail in the front, how it has a little peekaboo right here, and you can have an option to wear off your shoulder or on your shoulder. So cute, you guys. I highly suggest getting this top if you go up a size, if they have your size in stock. Next item was such a surprise to me because I was not expecting this to fit at all. I was like, you know what? I even went and read the description of how it was made to see what kind of material it was made out of, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a risk, because I rarely get pants whenever I do these kind of collaborations, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead. So these shorts are really cute. I love them, and they fit, you guys. They fit, and they're so cute. I really love these. I love how they are distressed. They are really stretchy, and they're like a Bermuda short, so they're not super short. I got a 5XL, and they fit perfect. So it's 23% polyester and 2% spandex. So I was like, okay, so I'm going to get the biggest size they have, and they have a little stretch to them, so I might be able to wear them. guess what, they fit beautifully. And I've been looking for some highly distressed shorts, you guys, because that is what is in for the summer. I've been seeing all these girls with their cute little heels and their cute little distressed tops, and I wanted to wear that yellow top to go with it with my cute little these cute little distressed shorts and some heels. And I was just like, I'm gonna have a little moment, but unfortunately the top didn't fit. But these shorts, you guys, I highly recommend, and went all the way up over my apron. You know, that is my big concern as an apple shape. It fit comfortably. I like to wear like these, this is a skirt actually. I like to wear them up here, nice and cute. Girl, oh, wait till you see these shorts on me, y'all. I love them. So we have one more item in this haul, and it is a swimsuit. Now, you guys, I will show you guys, I will show y'all me in the swimsuit, but I'm not gonna take off my shorts. I'm just gonna show you guys the top part of my of how the swimsuit fit. It fit perfectly in the bottom. It wasn't too tight. It covered my bottom up all the way, which was great. I wish I could have gone down a size so that it could have been a little bit more tight in the top. I'm sitting here talking, I haven't even showed the swimsuit. It's cute. It has a little off the shoulder moment with a little, what is it, off the shoulder or cold shoulder moment. And make sure you tighten the straps because you're not wearing a bra, so there's not much support, and I didn't feel comfortable without all the support. It's really cute. The size that I got, let's see, I got a size 4X. And I could have done a 3X. It's really stretchy, so keep in mind that this material is a knit material. It's very stretchy. I love the lemons on it. So you can afford to go down a size if you are smaller in the bottom. So and your apron isn't really big. My apron is which is my bottom belly, is shrinking some, so I could afford to go down. If you're bigger than me, then this would be perfect. I probably could make this fit better in the top if I adjusted the straps. But I really love this swimsuit. So that is the end of this haul, you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for all the love you guys have shown me on all my posts on Instagram and on my post here on YouTube. If you have any questions or any comments, please be nice. Leave them down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.